आप सभी का चैनल में स्वागत है। आज हम लोग जावा लैंग्वेज में डेटा टाइप के बारे में जानते हैं। डेटा टाइप स्पेसिफाइज द टाइप ऑफ डेटा, मीन्स व्हाट काइंड ऑफ डेटा वी आर गोइंग टू स्टोर इन अ लोकेशन. We know very well about that. If we are going to design a program, we must need data and code both. So if we have to use data, we must specify the type of that data. Because when we compile the program, the memory is allocated to store that data, and your computer will identify how much memory to be allocated to store that data. That is just specified by the data type. In Java, there are two types of data type. Number one is your primitive data type, and second is your non-primitive data type. Primitive data types are those kind of data type which are independent data type. Their size and name are already specified in Java library, and we can choose them as per our program need. Suppose if we have to work with any number type data, we can use numeric data type like integer, byte, short, int or long. If we have to work with any alphabets or character or digits, then we can use char data type. If we have to work with any real type of data, so you can use float and double. So Java supports different primitive data types. We have also classified them primitive in Boolean and numeric, yes. In characters and integrals, in character we can use char data type. For Boolean we can use Boolean data type. To work with any integer number, we have byte, short, int and long. Byte will hold 1 byte of memory, short will hold 2 byte, int will hold 4 byte and long will hold 8 byte of memory. To contain floating type of data, we have float and double, two data types. Float can hold fractional and double can also, but float can hold 4 byte of data. Float can hold 4 byte of space and double can hold 8 byte of space. So these are the primitive data types, and second is our non-primitive data type. Non-primitive data types are those kind of data type which are dependent data type. They depends upon primitive data type, but their size are specified by the program. So there are a number of data types which are non-primitive like string, array, class and interface. These all are your non-primitive data types. So yes, Java is strong in its data type, and data type will play an important role in our program, because when we have to define data, we must specify their data type also. So next is our variable. Yes, variable is a named memory location. It is an identifier that identifies that location where the data will move. To declare a variable, we use data type along with variable name. So this is the syntax, like first you have to write the data type, then var name. Suppose if we have to work with any integer type of data, our data type will be either int, long, byte or short, and the variable name can be any identifier we can specify here.